Unit 206 in the K building at Harbor Island. I didn't include a drive-in out on the road coming from Beaufort because it's just one road. There's really no turns. And then after you cross the bridge, you take a left down to Harbor Island. And once you go past the guard gate, this is really the one main drag that you'll be on as you drive into or onto the island. And now as we get down here to close to the coast, there is a left turn and then an immediate right turn into the parking lot. And the parking lot is a little different. You can take a left and there's some parking area there, or you go straight, or actually around this little, I'm kind of going the wrong way here, but go around this little traffic circle and then squirt out this other side. And as you take a right, now you're looking immediately at the K building, which is got the view of the ocean on the other side of it. You'll park in one of these areas here. You'll see the letter K there on the building, and then as you approach the building, you'll see those stairs here. You'll walk up this little short stair up to this landing, take a left, and as you go up the stairs, you will then walk right to Unit 206 or Sunrise, and behind this door is awesomeness. Welcome to 206. So first thing you're going to do is punch in the code that the owner gives you, and then that will open up the door and you get to walk in to heaven in Harbor Island. So first off, let's take a real quick little tour here. Pantry here to the left, paper towels. This is where also the vacuum cleaner is. In the kitchen, there's a double sink and a dishwasher. And then around here is the microwave and the stove. Dishes, pots, pans, everything in here. Refrigerator, a washer dryer. Turn the corner, coming back into the living room is the kitchen eating area. And then also here is the den. And the den with the great big TV here. The TV is hooked up to internet, so as long as you have a Amazon Prime account or something like that, you can log in here on the Wi-Fi and actually see. But man, I tell you, the view here is just phenomenal. So let's kind of step out onto the porch deck here. There's a little bar area and two really absolutely awesome rocking chairs. And then there is the view. And you can sit here. There's the overpasses out to the beach over there, and then also one over here. So as you exit the front of the condo, you can go around either side and get out to the beach. Okay, so now back inside, and here underneath the stairs is a little half bath where you can see the thermostat is right here on the wall. This thermostat controls the temperature downstairs and upstairs. And so you can set it by moving that slider bar on the right up or down, and then the three lines at the bottom, that menu bar, will take you to whether you want cool or heat. So now we'll go upstairs. All right, as we get to the top of the stairs, we'll turn around and we'll go to the front of the condo, the side that faces the parking lot. And there is a bedroom here, queen size bed. Over here is an internet connected TV, and then there is the vanity that's out here in the room, and then the bathroom with the toilet and shower here. And then as we go toward the rear, or what I would call the master bedroom, back here is another bed here, and just absolutely amazing views when you wake up. Internet connected TV, closet, vanity here in the bedroom, followed by toilet and a shower bathtub in here. All right, that's pretty much a tour of the inside of the condo. There are other amenities here. Just across the street is the pool and the workout facility there. There's a pool next door, and then there's a community pool. You can use either. There's also tennis courts, a basketball court, kind of a chipping area, an area to throw the football. Down a little bit further, as you can see in the drone footage, here is a crabbing and a fishing dock that you can do on some of the waterways that come inside. Just an absolutely awesome place. Can't say enough about it. The owner's fantastic. So if you're looking for a quick getaway and you want to get down to Harbor Island, great seafood down here, great fishing, I encourage you to try this place out. So have fun, get out there, vacate with your family. If you're not an RV, you can always do the bed and breakfast or the Airbnb vacation or VRBO. But get out there, have fun with your family, spend some time. But don't forget, make it to church on Sunday.